won this by a mile.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Really applauded here in Municipality of Dalaget, Province of Cebu.
So, nung pumasok tayo dito, itong si Hyundai, itong si Dai San Yun, sinukat-sukat muna yung
Oh,
point
good
natin
left
dito, no?
hook there by Pilapil to the body as Pilapil wanted to end this. Hindi natin alam eh. Ang alam natin may power itong si Angelos Pilapil, the pitbull, but we don't know about this guy from Kuya, Dyson Yun.
Yeah, Dai San Yun right here, receiving a lot of body punches coming from the pitbull. Angelos, the pitbull, Pilapil. Alam naman natin, what's the characteristic of a pitbull? Every time he bites, coach, naglalak yan.
Oo.
Ganon din yung opensa dito ng isang the pitbull, Angelos Pilapil.
Sugod agad eh. Wala nang bukas.
Target lock talaga for Angelos, the pitbull, Pilapil. Now, Dyson Yun. Medyo magkakansya muna dito. Against pitbull at nagulat siya kanina sa pagbuhos nitong opensa. Si pitbull, Pilapil. Good. Good exchange for both fighters. Stop. Medyo manipis dito itong si Dyson Yun, but he is taller compared to Angelos Pitbull. First round po. Scheduled for 8. Para po ito sa vacant title WBO Youth Oriental Flyweight belt. Rounding. From Angelos the Pitbull Pilapil. Dyson Yun.
Pitbull talaga. Itong si Pilapil, but for sure itong si Dyson Yun. Clearly, it's just really reading how Pilapil fights so far here.
Nasaktan doon si Dyson Yun. That's sweet itong si Angelos. First round. It's the end of the first round. Here are some highlights right after the 3 minutes of action here in the Dalaget Sports Complex. Grabe yung opensa doon. Itong si Angelos Pilapil. Coach, no? Sorry talaga ng bigay. Itong si Angelos Pilapil. Going to that body now. Oh! Binuhat pa. Parang utanon lang ng Dalaget.
What's the power here of the South Korean?
Nice left for Angelos. Itong si Angelos, pag mga Filipinos yung kanya nakakalaban, maputi to eh, no? Pero ngayon,
Angelos Pilapil, he has that speed advantage. Mabilis talaga itong si the Pitbull. Another left hook there. Pero kailangan matamaan sa
ito, may combination na. Ang mukha dito.
good straight there by the Pitbull.
Oh. Nice right there.
Bolo punch yung tamaan yun. Dahil sa tapos. Last 10 seconds, you have to swing there.
Pilapil. Once again, big showman here.
Referee saying, be careful. Baka magka-headbutt kayo.
Another blood from the nose nitong si Dyson yun, coach, no? One and 30. The uppercut by Angelus Pilapil.
Fighter, Dyson yun. Pero ang problema ninyo eh. Hindi naman tumatama. Medyo kulang talaga sa lakas.
Oo. Another uppercut by Angelus Pilapil. Wow. Another one. "30 seconds.
Maririnig mo dito, huwag magkumpiyansa. Sabi ng mga tao. Thou shall not kumpiyansa talaga.
"15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Wow. Another right by Angelus, and that's it.
For the unanimous decision, the new WBO Youth Oriental Flyweight Champion, Angelos the Pitbull